Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can install the Google Translate shortcut on your PC. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open any type of browser on your PC and go to Google and search for Google Translate, and you can see this is the page for Google Translate, or you can click on the first link which appears on your screen and you will be taken to the official page of Google Translate. Now you can go ahead and select this to default, which is the tech language, and select this to English or any other languages if you want to keep this in your shortcut. Now what you need to do is click on the three dots on your browser and go to More Tools. Then go ahead and click on Save Page As, which is over here. After that, you can select desktop over here because it will be quite easy for you to access this. So you can rename this as Google Translate Shortcut, and you can see the type as web page. So you can do this and click save. After you do this, you can see in a while this will be downloaded. Now if you go back to your desktop, you can see the Google Translate over here. So you can see this is the file which we just installed or created a shortcut of. Just go ahead and open it, and as soon as you open it, you will be taken to this page over here where you can easily download this option and how you can translate. So this is how you can use this Google Translate option. I hope this video about how you can install a Google Translate shortcut on your PC was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.